Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an account on Netflix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the web page of Netflix and I'm currently logged out of my account. And as you can see, you have the option to enter your email address and get started with Netflix, or in other words, to create your account. So let me just click here and choose an email address that I want to use. For example, this one. Click get started. Now I already started making an account with this email. However, you'll have the same option just to enter your password, choose what it's going to be. So just enter your password, and then from there on, you have to choose your plan. Here, as you can see, you need to choose between these three. Some regions and some devices might have the mobile plan available. I don't for some reason. I'm not sure why. But these three plans just differ in price, quality of video and audio, as well as the number of devices that you can use, as well as how many additional members you can add to your plan. For example, on standard, you can add one additional member. On premium, you can add two, but just choose whichever one you want. Click next, and now you have to choose your payment option. For me, for my region, only credit or debit cards are available. You might have the option of UPIs, Google Pay, etc., etc. You might also have the option of some other methods. I don't. I just have credit or debit card. So you just click the one you have, enter the actual information that you need, and then just click start paid membership. Your money will be deducted from your account, and then you can start using Netflix, and it's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.